Hello, Logic Legends. Welcome back. Today we have a bar chart puzzle. Now, when most students see this, they make a huge mistake. They invite the maths monster into their brain. They think, I must calculate the total for the black city, then the total for the gray city, then the total for the white city, then compare them. No way! That takes forever, and you might make a mistake. Today, I'm going to show you how to be a lazy detective. We are going to find the winner using our eyes, not our calculator. Put your pencils down and let's just look. The question asks for the total rainfall of the city with the highest total. First, we need to find out which city is the winner, the champion, without doing any maths. Let's look at the bars like skyscrapers. Black bar, Cheetahkin. Gray bar, Fenton. White bar, Shishane. First, look at the gray bars, Fenton. Are they ever the tallest? Look at May. No, short. June? No, shortest. July? No. October? No. Gray is never the winner. It is too short. Throw it away. We don't care about the gray city. Now it's a battle between black and white. Look at May. Black is taller than white. Black is winning. Look at June. Black is taller. Look at July. Black is taller. Look at September. Black is taller. White only wins in October, but only by a tiny bit. Since black wins almost every single month, black, Cheetahkin, is definitely the champion city. See, we found the winner in 10 seconds without adding a single number. We only need to calculate the score for the black bars. Now, let's read the numbers for the black bars. Be careful with the scale. May, the bar touches the line exactly at 35. June, it's just under the 15 line. It looks like 14. July, it's a bit above 5. Let's call it 7. August, it's small. Looks like 3. September, a bit above 5 again. Looks like 6. October, it's just above 25. Let's call it 26. Okay, we have our list. 35, 14, 7, 3, 6, 26. Now we add them. But wait, don't just add them in order. That's hard work. Look for friends that make easy numbers like 10 or 20. Look, 7 plus 3 equals 10. Easy. 14 plus 6 equals 20. Easy. Now our sum is much simpler. 35 plus 26 plus 10 plus 20. Let's add 10 and 20 first. That makes 30. Now we have 35 plus 26 plus 30. 35 plus 30 is 65. Finally, 65 plus 26. 60 plus 20 equals 80. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 80 plus 11 equals 91. Our answer is 91. Does that match an option? Yes, option D. Think about how much time we saved. If you added up the gray bars, you wasted time. If you added up the white bars, you wasted time. By just looking first, we only did the maths that mattered. Remember, in thinking skills, your eyes are faster than your brain. Scan, look for the tallest bars, eliminate, cross out the short ones, calculate, only add up the winner. You guys are mastering these graphs. Keep practicing being a lazy detective, and I'll see you in the next video.